Hello, everyone. Just taking out my stylus so I can use my laser pointer. Okay, so today's work in traditional multiplication is all about this. I can use the traditional method to multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. So we're going to build on the last couple days worth of practice, okay? You still have access to your multiplication chart, so please use it to help yourself out. Directions will still be here when they're done. And today's work is 4 problems. Now, the first 2 are in a form you have not yet seen before. That's why I want to go over this. If you notice, most of the problem here on slide 4 and on slide 5 is done for you, but not all. So that's what you have to do. All right. You're going to start by estimating what the answer should be given the problem here in black. All right. And then you're going to see a lot of the work has been started, but some has not. So you're going to try to figure out what goes in these blank spots here. What goes here? What goes there? What goes there? What goes here? So you have to do the problem. You just have to work it out maybe on paper next to you, right? So have that paper and pencil out. And then you got to figure out what would go in the blanks by doing the problem yourself, okay? And you're going to do the same for the second slide, slide 5, the second problem. Don't forget to estimate, all right? And come up with your estimated product. See if the actual final answer is in the ballpark. Again, you're going to be filling in boxes here, here, anywhere there's a text box you want to fill it in, okay? And then you'll check to make sure your answer is reasonable. Is the final answer reasonable or not, right? And then the last 2 problems here on slides 6 and 7, well, that's straight up 3x2 multiplication like you learned in the Edpuzzle lesson and that we're practicing today. So like all the problems before, you are going to just fill in the blanks. You're going to do the problem yourself and carry when you need to. You're going to add up your 2 answer lines, put your answer down at the bottom, carry if you need to, and you're adding as well. All right, don't forget about your multiplication charts. And the challenge work today is different. Check this out. So the challenge work today is a single problem, just one. And the directions say, create a 3x3-digit multiplication problem. So using the pattern that Rob shows in the video, this is possible. Create a 3x3-digit multiplication problem, solve the problem, and show your work. Simple enough, right? I don't know. That's pretty challenging. But it goes even further than that. Here's what you must do, the requirements. The problem you create should have a product that's between 500,000 and 550,000. So you've got to put to use all those powers of estimation that you've been learning to estimate the product before you start so that when you finish, you know you're going to be between 500 and 550,000. And can't cheat. No calculators. You got to do this with paper, pencil, and the calculator upstairs. Okay, that sound good? So that is your work. Let me know if you have any questions, and let's do this.